Hello, for my multicultural book, I chose the Sesame Street book, We're Different, We're the Same. Some questions I'd ask my kindergarten class would be, what do you think this book's about? Who knows what different means? Does anybody knows what the same means? I chose this book because it has pictures of all different kinds of kids and puppets, and I think everyone should and can relate to this book. I would have in my classroom a couple different language copies of this particular book, so that way the children can read it in their home language also and in English. Okay, so here's the cover page. We're Different, We're the Same by Bobby Jane Cates, illustrated by Joe Matthew. We're different. Our noses are different. We're the same. Our noses are the same. They breathe and sniff and sneeze and whiff. I chose this book because it's educational, which shows pictures of the words that are on the page so the children can predict and use context clues to help them read along with learning stuff about their bodies. Our hair is different. Our hair is the same. It grows on us in several places. It warms our heads and frames our faces. Our mouths are different. Our mouths are the same. Their lips form the words we say and smiles when it's a happy day. Our skin is different. Our skin is the same. It tells us something's cold or hot, or wet or dry. It knows a lot. Muscles and bones are wrapped inside it. We all have blood and skin to hide it. It keeps us in warmth. It keeps out dirt. It warms us so we don't get hurt. Our eyes are different. Our eyes are the same. They see, they blink, they weep, they wink. Our bodies are different. Our bodies are the same. They stretch and bend and work and play. They all need food and rest each day. They dance and wriggle and ride a bike. They might look different, but they're alike. Our feelings are different. Our feelings are the same. Lonely, worried, scared, excited, happy, loving, glad, delighted. We're the same. We're different. That's what makes the world such fun. Many kinds of people, not just one. A rainbow would be boring if it were only green or blue. What makes a rainbow beautiful is that it has every hue. So aren't you glad you look like you? We're different, we're the same. We're wonderful. I think this book is extremely important for children to read and recognize and celebrate our similarities and differences. And, there's so many differences between our bodies, the way they look. And for kids that have maybe not seen some certain types of people, I feel like this book's extremely important in what we wear. This book is extremely important for children to learn and accept everyone for who they are. And the book has rhyming, which is great for the fluency. And the follow-up activity I would do is a collage. I would make pictures. The children should draw their own pictures and also maybe some photographs of them to celebrate and kind of create, again, an idea of what the book was saying about how we're all different, yet we're all the same.